So I just got notification that there is a package to pick up at the P.O. box. So I'm in Big Black. You know what we're doing. We're taking off, and we're gonna see what's kind of like inside the box of the box at the P.O. box. We're out of here. I got Haley with me. Hey Haley, you doing, sweetie? You ready to go? Big Black sometimes has like this way of making itself known or its presence known. Big Black is on the way to go pick up some packages. Girl? Alright. So we just picked up the package from the post office box. I want to point out something right away. Okay, now this is messed up. You see that number right there? This is actually box number, what is that? 169 of 750 boxes. So, yeah, this was for me to pick up at my P.O. box. Like I said, Big Black does have a certain way of making itself known. It just like rips right through your ears, I'm telling you. Especially when you got a wall next to you. When you're in a tunnel, oh, it's a whole different experience. So I'm actually kind of confused about that box. What about you? What about you, Haley? You have no idea? I have like this suspicion, and if it's what I think it is, man, I'm telling you, wow! Right now we're actually passing the spot. That's where I take some of my RCs and rip them. It's not diamond dust, but that's literally like, I think that one's like 3 minutes from my house, from where that is. But, yeah, man, I'm really, I'm kind of semi-speechless here. Man, if this is literally what I think it is, I'm floored. I mean, I don't get it. I don't understand. Like, what the heck? And if Big Black isn't considered one of those yee trucks, yeah, I guess I don't know what is. So sometimes you gotta just let her rip. And man, what is in that box? I'm just like, what do you think? Huh? You? What do you think? No idea? Big Black likes to rip it. My God, you've got to literally be kidding me. You don't even have any idea. You always got to have an RC car in there, don't you? Yeah. I just, like I said, if this is what I think it is, man, this is literally a holy crap moment. Like, seriously, you just don't get it. You don't get it. If you want to see what's inside of this box, kind of like pretty much I do, you're gonna have to wait for the live on RC Guy Garage. I'm going to do a live unboxing of whatever is in this box. I suspect I know what it is, but it just can't be. I'm telling you, it just can't be. There's just no stinking way. There just really isn't no stinking way. And being 169 of 750, 750 really doesn't matter. But those two numbers right there, 69, is literally something that is very precious to my heart. And that is coincidentally absolutely insane. So like I always say, just get out there and rip it. We'll be ripping the box open live. So make sure you subscribe to the channel, and we'll get this box open. I'm out. You should get out too and point blank really rip it. Right, Haley? And then what are you doing? Eating sprinkle heads again? Huh? Oh! Into the woods. Holy crap! Oh, body off! Oh my god! I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing. Oh, Jesus Christ! Oh yeah! That was right to my face!